lizard on the tree staring at us and shit.
And what about it?
These critters over here are different. I seen a snake for the first time, crossing the front door. That was kind of cringing. I'm in Florida, we won't experience it all. Thankfully we're not in Australia though, because them motherfuckers have everything. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rich coming back with another video. This is kind of another top 5. I like doing these videos, especially when I don't really have much to do and I kind of feel like I'm waiting around. I need to give you guys the content. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Almost 300 videos and your boy needs some more ideas, and sucks I only have one car to work with, which is this beautiful TSX. You guys love it, the channel's been growing, the community's been growing, putting TSXs on the map, but at some point it would be nice to get another project, another different car to bring more people in and just have more to do. If you checked out the last video and I'm like trying to track down what's going on with the car, I took off my headers and I looked at my runners, and kind of seems like we have defective valve seals. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video. We were kind of leading up to that point, but yeah, I got defective valve seals. I don't know what possessed me to buy Super Tech ones from eBay for $19. Just get OEM. It's not that much more expensive. Learn from my mistake. I should have done that in the beginning, but yeah, it's kind of where we are here. It is Friday and waiting around until Monday so we can drive to Barry's, and he's gonna kind of do the whole shebang. Because I kind of don't fully trust myself. It's not that I don't trust myself. I just don't have all the right things to get it done. And if I lose a keeper or something like that, then I'm a sitting duck again, and Barry has all the tools, all the extra things needed. So we're gonna drive the car out to him on Monday. Be ready for that video too. But let me know what videos you guys want to see from Rish. Let me know, because I need some help from you guys, and it's for the people, man. It's what you guys want to watch, so let me know. We got this little recorder and this mic. I bought this mic in the past. I tried to use it in another video and I don't think shit worked out really well. You guys are on the stabilizer as well. My girl's holding y'all up. That's why it's all kind of smooth and kind of more a little bit cinematic feel. It is easier than just holding the camera itself. It's less shaky, so we may start using it a little bit more. I hope you enjoy these views to different settings. I just wanted to do a little bit more than just sitting in the garage with my car next to me. It makes it a little bit spiced up. This is a top 5 video, my favorite top 5 mods on my car thus far. It's been like a year or so. Let's walk and talk a little bit. I want to know what you guys like on my car and on yours. What's your top 5 list? Let me know what you guys think, because I like reading the comments. I like conversing with y'all, and I always reply, so chat with your boy. My top 5 list. I'm gonna go down and kind of explain why I kind of like them or whatnot. BC Racing coils. I have my Team Flex Z's in my past TSX. They're both great coils. You can't go wrong with either. I just feel BC Racing's quality is a little bit better, and ride quality seems a little bit better. BC Racing's coils have been real good, and for the TSX you need coils, man. You need them. If you've seen when I bought the car at first and I put on the Koenig wheels, my shit was a monster truck. It looked hideous. It was like I couldn't even look at it. Like the car looked wheel gap, you gotta remove that, and it just makes the car overall look just so much better, and handles a lot better too. So you're hitting them turns and whatnot, shit moving and grooving on the ground, and planted. BC Racing coils, you need coils on your TSX, man. It makes the driving so much better, the experience so much better. Lip kit, Euro R lip kit for me, because that's what I have on my car. But I wouldn't mind Mugen or A-Spec. Any lip kit for the TSX looks good, man. It changes up the whole look of it, brings a whole new style out, and kind of completes the body look. The TSX looks good regardless, that's my opinion. The CL9 looks great, but it misses some factors. Damn, I just pulled out notes from the damn tree. Reflash or a tune? A reflash is a big thing for you NA boys, full bolt-ons or whatever. It's a big thing everyone gets. You guys know Serge Bo. He's kind of been MIA for a long while. He kind of came back and left and came back and left. I haven't been able to get a hold of him, and I don't really care to because I already have all my shit. But there's some people that have his cords and have had it for a while. It's kind of unfortunate, but with reflashing, you probably just hit up Honda, send in your ECU, and they reflash it. I think it's like $300 or something like that. If you guys want to get custom tunes and do all that stuff yourself, you got to get an 07, 08 ECU and the Honda with the CAN adapter cable. In my case, I have an 08, so everything was plug and play. I just need to get the Honda, plug it up, register it, and boom, I have full access. I haven't been able to feel the full potential yet, because in the beginning of the video I said dealing with the valve seals, fouling out my spark plugs, it's been causing me misfiring issues and smoking, so it just hasn't been running full potential. but I know she's gonna be a real hitter from all the extra mods we put on, and having a custom tune now, she's gonna be ripping. Still slow, but she's gonna be ripping and fun. So let's continue. Hybrid racing shifter. Can't go wrong with hybrid racing, man. And stay tuned for some announcements. We got something special coming with hybrid racing. I'm not too sure. We might be the first and only ones getting this before everyone else. There's no other aftermarket ones anywhere. They're just straight OEM, and even those are kind of harder to get by because they're like on back order and whatnot. But I'm not gonna spoil it fully, but if you know, you know, kind of. You know, my boy Lauro knows because I told him, but you guys gotta stay tuned for this little partnership with hybrid. Pretty excited about that because I really want to work with more companies and showcase the TSX and just keep doing what I'm doing, you know, because this is what we do. This is what we do. So hybrid racing short shifter, coming from the CT engineering one, it is a night and day difference, man. I would never go back or recommend the CT short shifter. Finding fifth gear was real weird, and after a while of kind of feeling it out and whatnot, it was just real notchy. Like, it wasn't like precise like the hybrid racing shifter is. The hybrid racing, you can't go wrong, man. They have pristine quality. You're in gear, you know you're in gear. Shifting is so much shorter and more precise, not notchy, just in and out. There's no play in the shifter. I made the install video, but I'd still have to do like a review on it. Once the car is fully up and running, I'll do POV drives, kind of explaining it, different things, and kind of how I like it. We are really far into this video, a lot of holding. My girl is the champ for all this shit. This is like my 7th time starting. How's it going, guys? The best mod you could have, RSX Type S oil pump. Not the best one for your motor. It is really, really good. Your K20, K24 is probably one of the most common mods to get, especially because of weight reduction and allowing you to rev higher safely. Us OEM guys were revving out at 7,800, and I feel like that's kind of like maxing its potential of safeness and just durability and stuff like that. So we get the Type S pump and we're able to rev higher. In my case scenario, I also have the dual valve springs to Super Tech, and that allows for revving higher even more. You know, you could go up to like 9 grand maybe or something, but there's other factors of, you know, valve to piston and things like that, so you don't want to mess nothing up. But it is a very, very common mod people get. It removes the harmonic balancer and it just frees up a lot of weight reduction plus revving higher, a little bit more power, you know. It's just better for the longevity of the motor and more potential for the long run. So we're wrapping up the video here. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. It helps me out in the algorithm, helps YouTube recommend me more. Every video we seem to get, you know, 20, 30 subscribers after, which is awesome. I really appreciate you guys. I really love you for that. Thank you for supporting me. Hopefully, you know, we keep on doing greatness and great content. Can't wait for the car to be up and running so we could do different things like POV drives, driving through my city, going to the beach, different scenes, different things. So with that being said, it's your boy Rish, and I'm out. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off, rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.